Hello guys, this is my face review about my classmates and old classmates know my face about. And I got banned in Roblox. I had no Robux in there. My favorite friend in there is Hamza, the bacon hair and a man face. And he actually misses me. My friend Hamza needs to see this. This is actually pretty sad. He will miss me in Roblox. I will download Roblox again in New Year. Bye.